Who says that hearing aids have to be bulky and unappealing? Check out the latest Lumity Slim by Phonak, a global player in innovative hearing solutions, which was recently launched by Manila Hearing Aid, the pioneer hearing aid center in the Philippines since 1976. Phonak's Lumity Series is the next generation of lifestyle-centric hearing aids, and its Lumity Slim variation breaks the traditional look of hearing devices with its sleek, stylish, and ergonomic curvature that provides a snug fit along the contour of one's ears. Among its first users is model and real estate professional 𝗟𝘂𝗃, who started experiencing hearing impairment at the age of 5. Using the Phonak Slim Lumity now has allowed her to converse with clients more confidently, which has also helped boost her self-esteem.
With that, having this one, I have compared it to a more affordable hearing aid that I've tried months back. It was like being inside a water tank.
Really?
Yes. That was the experience. But with this one, everything just became so clear. May I say that it's more balanced? And then all of the speech came out very clear and crystal all throughout.
She even used them while attending Taylor Swift's Eras Tour concert in Japan, and she was able to hear the celebrity better with its noise cancellation features.
Oh my gosh, like people were screaming, right? So when I hear her, it's not as more on, as I mentioned earlier, parang noise cancelling world eh. So parang when I hear her, mas crisp nga, as sabi ni Dr. Elisa, and it's just really that explanation eh, that description. Everything is more clear, so it balances the sound, and kahit noisy, okay lang. Kasi naririnig mo yung tao. You can actually fix that feature. If you want to hear more wider note or more narrow one, it's all in the app.
Aside from being able to provide crisp, natural sound with optimal comfort, it also offers universal connectivity to allow users to connect to the world around them. Plus, it's fully rechargeable.
So all our Lumity hearing aids are equipped with this made-for-all connectivity, meaning that they are able to connect to any phone that has this Bluetooth feature. So it can be an Android phone, it can be an iPhone, so any devices that has this Bluetooth feature. It can also be a laptop, your tablet. So, and we're talking about not only connecting to one unit, we can pair up to 8, and at the same point of time, it can be connected to 2 devices at the same time.
It also uses SmartSpeech technology for improved speech understanding, and it comes with Roger microphones and intelligent wireless technology that transmits speech directly to hearing aids. Manila Hearing Aid aims to provide Filipinos access to these latest innovations for hearing wellness, because ear and hearing care should never be taken for granted.
We would like to create an awareness to all Filipinos. That's why we are all gathered here. To help us inculcate in every Filipino to include a hearing test in their annual ECU, because it's really very important. Early detection is very important. Managing mild hearing loss is easier than managing a severe to profound hearing loss, which is about 90% hearing loss.
Besides, with Phonak's Lumity Series, hearing has never looked this good. This has been 𝗟𝘂𝗃𝗲 for MyTV Cebu.